Is it time to buy or sell Dell Technologies stock? In this video, we will explore Dell Technologies in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 1st of October, 2025, and now we provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 17th of September 2025, our system has ranked Dell Technologies as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has surpassed our expectations, achieving a gain of approximately 14.84% since we initially recommended purchasing Dell Technologies 11 days ago. This results in an average return of about 1.35% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees considerable volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we find ourselves unable to predict the stock's next movement, as it could potentially go in either direction. The stock has broken the wide and weak rising short-term trend upward, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. If there is any pullback, there will now be support at the ceiling of the current trend, which has broken at $144.63. This level may provide a second opportunity for a significant move. According to fan theory, $166.50 will be the next potential peak level, presenting a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 3.86% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 14.83% to positive 0.351%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 4.09%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 48.17% to positive 4.09% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $77.58 and $155.80. Our latest daily update for Dell Technologies includes the headline, Dell Technologies Incorporated stock price up more than 5.58% on Wednesday. The Dell Technologies Incorporated stock price gained 5.58% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 1st of October, 2025, rising from $141.77 to $149.68. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to gain or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 6.73%, with a low of $140.24 and a high of $149.68. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, resulting in a 14.84% gain over the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 4 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 14 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.03 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $149.68, and the lowest price was $66.25. Currently, the price is 0.00% or $0 below the 52-week high of $149.68, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Dell is significantly focusing on artificial intelligence and the growth of data centers. Management is projecting revenue for the fiscal year 2026 to be between $105 billion and $109 billion, with infrastructure solutions, primarily driven by AI servers, expected to more than double year over year and exceed $20 billion, supported by a backlog of $11.7 billion. The company has also introduced advancements in private cloud and data center products and was recently upgraded to a buy rating. Investor interest is growing ahead of a securities analyst meeting on October 7th with CEO Michael Dell. To finance this expansion, Dell has priced a senior notes offering of $4.5 billion, a strategic move to enhance AI capacity and sales execution. In the short term, anticipate positive momentum from encouraging guidance, the upgrade, and the analyst meeting as catalysts for a potential relief rally, though this may be tempered by volatility related to the debt issuance and the need for execution proof points. In the long run, sustained demand for AI servers, improving margins in the Infrastructure Solutions Group, and product momentum could lead to a reevaluation of the company's valuation and drive consistent revenue and profit growth, provided that Dell effectively converts its backlog, manages competition, and maintains healthy leverage levels. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 15th of September, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Dell an outperform grade with an initiate action. On Friday, the 29th of August, 2025, it was reported that Cowen and Company gave Dell a hold grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 29th of August, 2025, it was reported that Fox Advisors assigned Dell an equal weight grade with a downgrade action. On Friday, the 29th of August, 2025, it was reported that UBS gave Dell a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 29th of August, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned Dell an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Dell Technologies stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, while they rate the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Dell Technologies. The stock of Dell Technologies Inc. shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, a general buy signal emerges from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support can be expected at $136.21 and $130.89. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, September 2nd, 2025, and since then, the stock has appreciated by approximately 23.74%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also evident from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 22 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 8 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 100 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 92 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Dell Technologies. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $131.24 and $122.15. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Dell Technologies Inc. finds support just below today's level at $131.24. If this support is broken, the next level from accumulated volume will be at $122.15 and $121.29. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with adequate trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $9.44 between its high and low, representing a change of 6.73%. For the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 4.08%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Dell Technologies, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal P/E ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2025 is expected on November 25, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.48. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Dell Technologies. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the optimal time to exit. On the downside, Dell Technologies encounters its first support level at $131.24. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Dell Technologies from multiple analyst sources is sell. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. On the 25th of September 2025, SLTA GP LLC executed an insider sale of 5,780 shares of Class C common stock. On the same day, SLTA VGP LLC conducted another insider sale of 63,813 shares of Class C common stock. Also on the 25th of September 2025, SLTA IVGP LLC sold 5,780 shares of Class C common stock. On that same day, SLTA IVGP LLC completed another insider sale of 63,813 shares of Class C common stock. Just a few days earlier, on the 22nd of September 2025, SLTA IVGP LLC sold 443,438 shares of Class B common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, reflecting a ratio of negative 28.635. In total, insiders acquired 3,117,100 shares while selling 5,650,750 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $142.46, which is a decrease of 4.83%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index is 85, which significantly elevates the risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 21 days ago. Is Dell Technologies stock a good buy? Dell Technologies Inc. exhibits several positive indicators, yet we do not consider these sufficient to classify the stock as a buy candidate at this time. At its current position, it is advisable to view it as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate while we await further developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 2nd of October, we anticipate that Dell Technologies will open lower by $3.15, starting at $146.53. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.